Welcome! If you've ever come across a comment on Pinterest that you think shouldn't be there, maybe it's spam, offensive, or just plain inappropriate, today's guide will show you exactly how to report it using the Pinterest app. This process is quick, easy, and helps keep the Pinterest community safe and welcoming for everyone. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, browse your feed or go to the specific pin where you spotted the comment you want to report. Now, scroll down to the comments section and carefully find the exact comment that's causing concern. Take a moment to double-check so you're reporting the right one. Next, look for the three dots. These are usually displayed as a small icon right next to the comment. Tap on those three dots. This will open up a menu with a few different options. From the menu, tap on the option labeled Report. Pinterest wants to make sure their community guidelines are followed, so they make this option easy to find. After you tap Report, you'll be asked to choose a reason for reporting the comment. Options might include things like spam, harassment, misinformation, or other violations of Pinterest's guidelines. Select the reason that best matches the issue with the comment. Once you've made your choice, tap Submit. Your report will be sent directly to Pinterest's moderation team, who will review it and take action if necessary. You won't get notified about the outcome, but rest assured that your report helps make Pinterest a better place for everyone. And that's it. Reporting a comment on the Pinterest app is that simple. Taking a few seconds to report harmful or inappropriate content helps protect the Pinterest community and keeps your experience positive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.